Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a really quick and easy updo. First of all, we're going to take the top section of the hair about eyebrow level and just pop this into a ponytail. Then just above that little elastic band, make a small hole and pull your ponytail up and through so it creates a nice twist. Clip that top ponytail out of the way for now, split the remaining hair in half, and we're just going to create 2 more ponytails using the same steps as we did for the first. Okay, so starting on the top ponytail, split it in half and cross the sections over each other. Clip away the sections that end up on the right hand side, and then we're just going to repeat these steps on the other 2 ponytails. Gather up all the sections on the left hand side and just smooth them out if they need it, and then we're going to secure them together using a small clear elastic band. Next, all we're going to do is take hold of that elastic band and just roll it under so you can't see it. Use a couple of bobby pins to pin this to the side of the head, but make sure that the tail ends are hanging downwards. Then all you're going to do is repeat the same steps using the sections on the right hand side. Taking those 2 sections that we left hanging down, all you're going to want to do is cross them over each other and give them a little twist and pin them to the nape of the neck. If you have long hair and you've got some left over, just roll these up and pin them underneath. Finish with hairspray, and if there's any little gaps or any bits you don't like, just give the hair a little bit of a pull just to even it out. And that's the finished look. If you like this hairstyle, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.